So I'm filling this with soil, but not over the top, just a little less, so I have some free space for my tomatoes, of course. And also when I finish, I will fill it till the top, so a bit. The soil should not be wet, it should be dry, because it's easier to work with it. Also, you don't damage the roots when transplanting, so I just use dry normal soil. This is for young seedlings, it doesn't contain fertilizer, so it won't burn my roots, it won't burn my seedlings. When I transplant, afterwards I water, so not before, because I would damage the plants. So I have quite some tomatoes I need to fill and I need to transplant. We say this pikiranje, I don't know how it's called in English, but it means I will separate each plant in its own pot, because as you see, now they are growing together, many together, and I need to separate one by one and place them in their own pot. So I have here around, I don't know, 30. I will see how much I get. I think I will transplant all of them. I'm not sure if I will put them all in my garden, because this will be quite some of them. Also, I have some others that I need to put in pots, because I like to grow different varieties, not just one. So I have cherry tomatoes, orange tomatoes, big tomatoes, and so on. Some authentic earworm seeds I have as well. And maybe I will have one in my balcony, that's for sure, with cherry tomato. We also like to grow pelati, these are very nice. Also for sauces, we can make quite some. I have it during the winter as well.